बहुत ही जल्दी सब कुछ हो गया, एयरपोर्ट भी पहुंच गई, चेक इन भी हो गया. But now we were heading to Radisson Jaipur. We'll have food looks genuinely amazing. Yeah. Now we're going for massage. I have just entered the spa. So cool. Just got done with the yoga session. Now we are heading for art therapy. इस पूरे ट्रिप पे मैंने सिर्फ खाया, just eating, and I love it. बहुत ही जल्दी सब कुछ हो गया, एयरपोर्ट भी पहुंच गई, चेक इन भी हो गया. नाउ गोइंग फॉर सिक्योरिटी चेक इन आल्सो. दैट्स द फर्स्ट. Cranky, I'm so cranky. I can't even explain. I'm so sleepy. I've slept for like 3.5 hours. Flight had so much turbulence that I couldn't sleep. I'm not a great person to be around when I haven't slept. This thing. God bless people around me. कुछ कर भी नहीं पाऊंगी strangers के साथ. मार दूंगी मैं किसी को. I have no idea where my driver is. I have no idea how am I supposed to go to Pushkar. I landed in Jaipur. I don't even know अभी आवाज पूरा कैमरा पे आया है because raining like anything. मैं भूख भी गई हूँ इतना बड़ा छाता होने के बावजूद. मेरा ड्राइवर भैया so sweet. He literally like gave me the छाता. मैं पूरे भीग गए. I'm not feeling very great about it. But why the fuck is it raining?
अरे मुझे क्या पता, मुझसे पूछी जा रही है बार बार.
When you're in Rajasthan, I'm supposed to.
Sorry.
गंदे जोक्स. Why is it raining? But yeah, वो थोड़ा पानी मुंह पे पड़ा तो नींद खुल जाएगी. And now we were heading to Radisson Jaipur. We'll have, and then we'll head to Udaipur. It's gonna be so hectic today. It's gonna be so hectic. The property looks beautiful. It's gonna be so much fun now. Just forever beach. It feels like I'm just traveling. I'm up since 4 o'clock. It's gonna be worth it. I am tired. Property looks amazing. We're gonna have so much fun. I feel like a foreigner right now. So this random shot. And that one. You can actually like you can sit here. Sit and look at the nature.
कैसी अपमानजनक बातें कर रहा है.
So weird. I am so weird and I love this. This is the best part of my room. I'm all set for the lunch. It's pretty simple. I did my skincare, I took shower and no makeup. We still look pretty. Now we're gonna head to lunch. Okay, this place is really silent. I am not used to itna silence. I live in Bombay. I am used to noise. This is just so peaceful. We need you at the Food looks genuinely amazing. Yeah. I think I'll finish the entire plate. When you don't decide the dress code. Okay, the food was amazing. Now I'm gonna sit. Now I'm gonna lie down and sleep for a while because it's I think 3:30 right now and our next event is at 5. तो आराम से 1 घंटा सो के हम मजे करेंगे. 5 o'clock is yoga. 6 o'clock is art therapy with high tea. Wow. 8:30 is soul supper under the stars with Tantak. What am I doing here? मैं बोल भी नहीं सकती. So that's all for today. Nice. Bro, it's fun because every half an hour someone is coming and giving us something, some hamper, and it's just like back to back hampers of something or the other, and that feels pretty great. That really feels pretty great.
लग रहा है दिल गार्डन हो रहा है. बहुत मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे.
And now we are headed to yoga session. The lunch was amazing. I slept for a while though I'm very sleepy. The urge to miss the yoga session is real, but I know like once I'll be back and I'll be a little bit stretched and all, I'll feel better. And रात को आज बहुत तगड़ी नींद आने वाली है. Let's go! I'm not even kidding, it's giving Lotus. Have you seen the show Lotus? And I literally look like someone who's at a wellness center. Me wearing cotton and all, it's just not making.
Your clips and photos on Instagram. Thank you so much.
Just got done with the yoga session. Now we are heading for art therapy. And we all are very, very sleepy. Are you sleepy?
Yeah,
Ma'am, are
Extremely.
you sleepy?
very much.
Extremely sleep deprived.
The yoga, it's very refreshing.
Yeah, but it's also FOMO, no? Matlab,
Yeah, you feel you'll miss out so much
Yeah.
if you go to sleep.
Yeah,
And if
exactly.
you do, then you'll be sleeping for 2-3
yeah, we're doing some art therapy and I suck at it. I couldn't even like center lines properly. Like my base is only gadbad.
And then after creating circles, you have to fill the linings of the circles with the patterns that you like. Patterns.
I'm into
And if
these
you need
circles.
Yeah.
I think it's like मुझसे हो भी नहीं पाएगा. She's not in the space of it, and then she has created this.
look
I wonder what she
अरे क्या
would
है?
have.
This is nothing. This is like some baby's drawing. Yeah.
Ta-da-ta-ta-ta-ta.
ये क्या है?
Pretty. Meanwhile, me, like any other activity in my life, I've given up in between. Got ready for dinner. How do I show you my outfit? I could be overdressed. It is what it is. Bro, it's so silent and I'm shit scared. Anyways, let's go. Because she's just told me that we have non-veg.
Yes, today. So
We're so excited. Yay! How happy are you? Seeing the
I'm very
food?
hungry. That's the truth.
This is the menu.
So is it like? No, how can you have water in a wine glass? That's disrespect.
The next day.
Woke up and क्या नींद आई है मुझे. I had aqua yoga in the morning. I missed it because बहुत नींद आ रही थी बहुत. And now I freshened up. Looks like I'm going to gym, but I'm not going to gym. I realized I don't have decent clothes other than shorts and skimpy clothes for breakfast. So मैंने ये पहन लिया. Now I'm going for breakfast. Let's have coffee first thing first. I'm headed for spa right now. I had an amazing breakfast. Spoke to so many strangers at night. It is good to know people and their stories. It's always amazing to hear such brilliant stories from strangers. It's maza aata hai. Everyone having their own struggles and still doing so well in their lives. Now we're going for massage. I have just entered the spa. So cool. Really smells good.
It's formulated with Tripla. It's good for the skin toning and for the glowing skin.
Can I try that also? This is what?
Vibhukti oil. This is specific for the pain. This is the Mahanarayana.
What massage are you doing?
I'm gonna get Marma Points face massage and a foot revive massage.
Nice. Fun.
Will not work extra. So
I love what you're wearing.
t-shirt हमें
Asian and Indian mix.
The much awaited. This lal mask took so much time to come that last I was 27, now I'm 30. It took ages to come. I've been having so much food. I can't even explain. इस पूरे trip पे मैंने सिर्फ खाया. Just eating and I love it. You know what's the good thing that when you eat mindfully and also nourish your body and don't starve, just click few pictures in bikini. I think you'll have it somewhere on the screen. I'll still look good. I'm on maintenance. It's gonna be 2 months. I'm eating again. I'm not going crazy when I'm on maintenance, but I'm eating mindfully. Joy of having discipline and still eating and still enjoying food and not starving myself is that I can still look good. Protein is the key, my friends. I have satsang in my schedule and I'm headed for satsang right now.
ये क्या सुन रहा हूँ मैं?
I don't think so. When was the last time I attended a satsang? Yeah, this is going to be interesting. Have you ever done satsang before? No, I've never done satsang. This is your first time. This is my first time.
How his journey started. He was once a very successful entrepreneur, a serial entrepreneur, and in their own way contributing towards the vision of the
And in that podcast, this gentleman said that Tanmay Bhatt was a very dear friend of Ranbir Alabat.
Later.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं.
बहुत दिन लगाती हूँ. I wanna make a sound of some song, but I sound like oh shit. I was more thinking towards the truck or something. And also, nothing. I'm not doing. What? It's raining and we don't like rains. Not a fan of monsoon. We were told that if anybody quickly wants to go to the room and like change or whatever, like, you know, if it's really necessary, go to your rooms. And everybody went because someone was not wearing appropriate clothes to the place we're going right now. We're going to watch a Aarti Ghat. And my god, I can't find. I'm also, it's really difficult to live a life and then make a vlog along with it. So if it's really important, go to your room. Everybody has gone because they want to change clothes, wear appropriate clothes, blah 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 blah. और मैं आई हूँ झुमके पहनने से. सबको पता चलेगा, बहुत पीटेंगे मुझे. मैंने जब उन्होंने बोला आपको क्या करना है, मैंने कहा something inside, like, you know, I can't tell you. Genius I am. वाह, genius.
भाई आपका नॉलेज तो कमाल का है भाई.
This is the prettiest girl on earth. You and only you. Guys, watching my vlog, want to really enhance your outfit. A simple and amazing method to do that is invest in big jhumkas. Nothing can work the way jhumkas work. Let's go. Somebody just called me and I have no idea who it was. I had a full-blown conversation with them. I have zero idea who they are and I'm late, I guess. I hope मेरे को सब छोड़ के निकल ना गए. अब मुझे लगता है सब चलेगा. It'll be damn embarrassing for everybody has left. I have come for a Aarti.
जहाँ पर आ रहे हैं पुष्कर के लिए. पुष्कर यहाँ किसी मंदिर, मूर्ति, सिटी, टाउन, प्लेस का नाम नहीं है. द पुष्कर ओनली द नेम ऑफ द होली वाटर.
तो बच्चों, हमने देखी ब्रह्मा घाट की आरती, पुष्कर घाट की ब्रह्मा आरती. And we are again eating. Look at these lovely faces. The face is hidden. These guys are doing something. What are you doing now?
Staring at the candle, not the flame.
And
They're trying to hypnotize themselves.
मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. मुझे घर जाना है. मुझे अपने घर जाना है. So I got up in the morning, went, worked out, had my breakfast. Now I'm gonna take a shower and get ready to leave. Honestly, I miss Bombay. I do miss Bombay. Yes, I'm wearing this fit again because I'm obsessed with this fit, this look. And we are leaving. Just checked out from my room. Were you waiting for me? Oh my god, I would have walked. It's okay. That's so sweet of you. Thank you. If I knew, I would have hurried out. Finally, we're leaving. Are you happy to leave?
No, I'm gonna miss you guys.
So of course, if we were coming to Jaipur, we would not leave without having plasmas. So we had spice code and agenda iced tea. There's spices. That's what spice code.
एक लालमास, एक कीमा रोटी होगा. मिस्सी रोटी लगा देंगे आप. ठीक है, एक मिस्सी रोटी. और मैं सब्जी में क्या खा सकती हूँ? क्या मिलेगा? पालक आम. You guys want something to drink? नींबू सोडा कुछ भी? Or want to drink? Yeah. Oh my god, that's deep floating.
My heart is full. Yummy, yummy खाना यार.
ये पैक कराना है, इसको किसी उसमें मिक्स करना है, उसके बाद.
Food was not enough, so now we are having chai. So the other people go on to shop, and I was not really going to shop because I'm just trying to be mindful of what I'm shopping. And I knew if I go there, मैं पागल जाऊँगा shopping के चक्कर में. सब करेगा, मुझे नहीं करना. Ignorance, out of mind, out of sight kind of situation. So now we're headed to airport and so now back to Jaipur. Bye to the coolest person I've ever met.
What? That's reserved for people who are entitled.
Bye.
Give that body complete.
Requesting all the ground. That's it for Jaipur. Like, share and subscribe. मेरी हिम्मत नहीं बची है और ये करने की. बाय, देख लो व्लॉग, देखना नहीं तो वैसी की तैसी तुम्हारी.
A few inches later.
Finally, I've reached home and I'm back to my sofa. It feels good. And I'm माफ़ी चाहती हूँ जो मैंने अभी पिछला बोला, जो भी बोला कि देखना तो देखो, नहीं तो मत देखो. Please देख लो, please. I was hungry. I'm a baby. I'm a human. I make mistakes. I'm sorry. But that's it for this vlog. Like, share and subscribe. I shall sleep now.